Thank you so much. It was all my blood and all their tears. That is how it went.
And the unit sweat.
The unit sweat, he cried, they cried, and it was my blood. With literally blood in the brain.
सवाल ये है कि इसमें आपने माइकल जैक्सन को कुछ ट्रिब्यूट दिया है जो कि खबरों में भी है, अखबारों में भी है. किस तरीके से वो स्टेप्स प्लान किए आपने और वो दिखता है दूसरे अंतरे में?
देखिए, पहले तो सिड ने मुझे कहा कि उनका एक प्लान है. Why don't we do Michael Jackson? I said, are you mad? Michael Jackson, it's impossible, man. I will take like a month to rehearse.
And nothing is impossible for him, as we all know now. It's been what, 14 years? We all know that.
Hey, I'm talking. So I actually, honestly, thought it was a wrong idea because you really cannot match up to the master, the god of dance. But then I realized, I have so much love and so much respect, and he has been someone I have idolized all my life. So I said, yaar, itna pyar hai mujhe for his work and for all the contribution that he has made in this world. It doesn't matter how I dance. It doesn't matter if I match up. I'm going to do this for my love for the man who started me off on my journey of dance. So I have done this in my own style. I have not done it like Michael Jackson, but it's his steps in my style. And that's what set me free. When you do something for love, it sets you free. And that's how I went about it.
कतरीना, आपने काफी एक्टर्स के साथ काम किया है, लाइक आमिर हुए, शाहरुख हुए, ऋतिक के साथ भी. किसकी डांस की स्टाइल सबसे डिफरेंट है, मतलब जिसके साथ आपने सबसे ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील किया?
Ritik's, for sure, because his flexibility is too incredible. It's on another level, so it's very difficult. You have to be an incredible dancer to dance next to him, which you have to really work hard for, and you feel nervous because he's got a natural rhythm. I think when he dances, and it comes to him so effortlessly. Sorry.
देखिए, this is from a Foxstar point of view the biggest film and the most special film. So really, जैसे आप जानते हैं, we started with the teaser. The idea was to just give a glimpse of the film, and I think even if I say it myself, I think the teaser has gone and delivered in a manner that was unbelievable and it really represents the film. It's not a teaser that's trying to sort of cheat or show something which is not there in the film, and it shows very little of the film. There is so much more in the film which will unfold as we go forward. I think today is actually, I would say, the formal kickoff of the last 100-meter race as such. So today is going to be now when we start on a daily basis, and that's where I think we need every one of your support. You guys are as close a member of the team, so if we've had blood, tear and sweat, I want to see the sweat there too. So no, really, seriously, a request to all of you. It's a very special film in which everyone has put their heart, and it's a film that will not disappoint. And it's going to go out the widest film, be it in India or outside of India. And I think I can't really wait for, and I think we all know we've got the best weekend with a 5-day weekend. And so we can't really wait to get release the film now.
Well, it's a position of great gratitude that I have. That मेरे काम से if I can instill inspiration, और अगर मेरा काम is aspirational for the many who want to go through a journey like this, if they have goals and if they have everyone has dreams, right? If I can impart in helping them, give them hope, give them inspiration to be able to achieve their dreams, I'm just full of gratitude for that. It's an incredible position that I'm in, and I take it as a responsibility. I just adore children, and if I can contribute to their lives, to society, to people, to aspire, that's what films are about. We are here to impart not just entertainment, but we give you a chance to dream, to hope, to understand what is right from wrong. There's so much that we actually absorb from films, and that's what it's all about. It's our service to the world, and that's how I see it. So, thank you, God.
I think it's a celebration. I think Bang Bang is a celebration of every emotion. It touches a high of every emotion, of romance, of action, of drama, of humor, of scale, visual appeal, stardom, music, everything. So I don't think we could have any other title other than Bang Bang.
We all go through our challenges, and I am the kind of person who enjoys it. Once you enjoy your struggles, once you enjoy your challenges, once you have clarity of thought, okay, nothing really lasts forever, and all that is there in your hands is to put your best foot forward and just keep moving forward, and that's what I did with this. No assumptions that things will go wrong, or just then I just stopped assuming the worst, the best started to happen. And मैं बोलूँ, I'm very there are a few things that I've discovered through the journey of this film. पहली बात तो ये है कि मैं famous हूँ कि I am the kind of guy who will lock himself inside the room and get into character and all that stuff. इस फिल्म में उल्टा हुआ है. इस फिल्म में I have discovered that this Rajveer is me. So when I started to prep, I said, man, what do I prep? I feel this. It's me. So it was a discovery that actually I am Rajveer. So it became so easy for me. In this film, I have done zero prep. So it's the first film that I have actually been surprised in that way. So it was an incredible experience. Once I overcame my challenges, everything just became easy. This has actually been the easiest film that I have done. In deep contrast to what I was actually going through, the film itself has been the easiest film which I have done. She's being very modest. She has taught me the steps on the set. What are you doing? That's wrong. You have to do like this. Watch me. Yeah.
No, actually what happened is I went into the song thinking I'm okay dancer. So when we were rehearsing and all that in the hall, we would do rehearsals, I was thinking I'm doing it so well. I was just showing him because he wasn't dancing much. And I think in that showing him, I got distracted. I stopped learning myself. And then when we got onto the set, you can see clearly who's the better dancer. So I learned a lesson. But the song is a lot of fun. And when you see it, it's a good energy. I think it's one of my favorite tracks that have been in any of my films. When I saw Vishal and Shekhar, I went and I gave him a huge hug. And Sita gave a small hug.
Did you laugh?
After, not particularly after Dhoom, no. I think
What
after...
Chakki Chameli? Sheila ki Jawani mein Foka.
He's just asking me anything. He's just anything. I think after Race is when I became more comfortable with dance. Like a little bit more excited about it, a little bit more confident.
Yeah, I think it's a really good question, but I think this is that one film which tested us all. मतलब कि we went through this journey, and मेरे हिसाब से if the entire team had not actually displayed the positive energy that they did and support the film, and actually I think what is really interesting is everyone remained focused on the goal, that this is the kind of film we are trying to make. It was not about saying कि अब challenges आ गए अब let's now not do that big action scene, etc., etc. So I think this film has really I think it's a wonderful.
The best part is when you spend so much money and nobody complains, because it is all looking so beautiful and so fantastic, and you're doing such great work. Even the producer can't complain. You show him the film, he's like, before, like, अरे यार पैसा इतना खर्च हुआ, पिक्चर देखने के बाद fuller version of what? Of Dhoom 3 in Bang Bang. Ocha, Tiger in Bang Bang. Very difficult question. I leave the stage to it.
It's different kind of action.
Mind blowing answer.
Yeah.
It's different.
In which movie? Which one?
Tiger. Think she'll allow anybody else to
In
look
Bang
at
Bang,
her?
in Bang Bang, everything that's done, I've done. Yeah. Because this, most of the impressive stunts are done by Hrithik, except for one, which was decently, no, not my stunt. The bike one, we did most of it on our own. I mean, we did everything on our own. So, yeah, so that was.
Hey, 6 pack, 8 pack, 12 pack. You do know, huh? family pack. I think you all should stop discussing 6 packs and 8 packs and understand what goes behind and what do you need to take from that. You should try and look at the fact that some people out there have put in discipline, consistency, and have done something which probably in their own minds also seemed impossible to do at whatever age. So it is such an inspiring thing. I think instead of रात को over drinks you want to discuss, उसका 6 pack, उसका 8 pack, ले सुबह उठ के सोचो कि यार मैं भी कुछ कर सकता हूँ. It's health, it is fitness, it is for all of us. I think we all should be empowered by all the people out there like me, like Shahrukh, who are trying to push our potential to do our best so that we can inspire people. That is the point, and concentrate on that. मैं आपको एक बात बोलता हूँ, हम all the people who are over here right now, हम सबके पास 6 packs हैं. वो दिखते नहीं है क्योंकि उसके ऊपर एक layer of fat है. We all have the 6 pack. सब अंदर है. It's a muscle. You understand? हाँ है. वो दिखते नहीं. You remove the fat, we all will sit here with 6 packs and remove our shirts and you can show me yours, I'll show you mine. Mind blowing, मजा आएगा. Next time, hopefully. I truly feel a responsibility now. हम ऐसे बहुत हैं who have achieved a lot, and but I personally feel a responsibility for contributing back to the millions of people who don't have the resources, they don't have the education, but they have the desire. So I really want to do something in that regard to give back. I truly feel a responsibility now. हम ऐसे बहुत हैं who have achieved a lot, and but I personally feel a responsibility for contributing back to the millions of people who don't have the resources, they don't have the education, but they have the desire. So I really want to do something in that regard to give back and to educate them with the tools and the education that I have. It's not the best, I don't know it all, but I'm going to do whatever I can to inspire and empower the society, the youth to get fitter and to achieve their dreams.
I didn't completely understand the question. I got something about
Were you nervous?
some parts.
Were you nervous doing such a sensuous scene, especially with Hrithik? Because you have
Which scene do you find
the
sensuous?
song looked really
Oh, the
sensuous.
song. I find the song fun. I think the part where Hrithik is dancing alone in the that black jacket, I think that is no, he's not. He's talking about Bang Bang. Sorry, which song are you talking about?
This song, of course.
This song. Yeah, he's talking about this song. Thank you, Nishit. Thank you as always. You're always right. Always saying good things. Thank you. Yes. Sorry. No, I think the sensuous part is Hrithik's that last bit he does at the end. I think that looks amazing. For me, I think the rest of the song is fun. I don't know about sensuous.
Just say one thing which I truly believe. This is the first film in my life where I have actually experienced something that I have never experienced ever before in my life. This is the first film that surprised me. The reason it surprised me is because of all that I was going through in the past 1.5 years. I could not give myself as much as I do in all my other films to Bang Bang. So my contribution to this film has actually solely been as an actor, and that actually scared the hell out of me, because normally there is a lot of other aspects that I look into and I want to know, and it's always been a very fun ride for me, but this time I just didn't have the time. So what it comes down to the fact is that when you see the film, we all have worked very, very hard on this film, but this film truly belongs to only one man, and that is this man here. He has single-handedly made this film. Every single thing that I was made to do on set was a surprise to me, because how the hell do you imagine a flyboarding action and incorporate that, and I can't even reveal the other things that you have, I don't know from where. Okay, fine. But I am so delighted, which is why I keep saying that if not my best, this is definitely one of my best films. and I can say that with confidence because I myself have been surprised when I saw the final rush of the film. And for that, I actually want to stand up and give this man the biggest hug that ever is possible. My friend, you did! दो दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे.
And actually he sings that song a lot on the set to me, just so you know. He does. This is the song he sings for me. I'm not sure why.
Yeah, see, Krish 3 में no, I was the assistant, I was the spot boy, my father's film. तो मतलब मेरी कोई मतलब वो जो एक स्टांस होता है ना, अहमियत, तो मैं खड़ा होता था कि you know, actor, star, and फट करके something used to happen. ये काम नहीं हुआ, वो काम नहीं हुआ, I have to do this, I have to do that. तो उस टेंशन में all my work that I did in Krish 3 was out of sheer fright. Okay, I have to get it right. But in this film, because of the wonderful team that has been by my side, I mean, what I went through, and because of the delay, it's but obvious that the morale of the film comes down. But I mean, first of all, Sid here, who just kept going, kept empowering. We kept empowering each other every day. SMS पे पता नहीं क्या होगा, but जब होगा ना यार फाड़ देंगे हम लोग. I promise. I mean, what I went through, and because of the delay, it's but obvious that the morale of the film comes down. But I mean, first of all, Sid here, who just kept going, kept empowering. We kept empowering each other every day. SMS पे पता नहीं क्या होगा, but जब होगा ना यार फाड़ देंगे हम लोग. I promise you, Sid, I will come back. I'll be stronger. We'll do it. You don't worry, Sid. You don't worry. Like यार you don't worry. I'm with you, Ritik. I'm with you. Although अंदर फटी हुई है कि क्या होगा. But we stood by each other, and then of course all of us stood by each other, and the kind of support structure that I got emotionally at that point of time really empowered me. And what happened after that was a revelation, because as I said, this became the easiest film I've ever done. So I think that is what shows on screen as Rajveer. I don't think you've ever seen me like this ever in my life. It's something that I actually was afraid of doing until this man here pushed me into it. It's like no, just calm down. Just don't be that. Just calm down. I can't explain to you exactly what that means, but that's what went on the set. And in doing that, I discovered a new side of myself. So for that, gratitude, my friend. And I hope you guys like what we all have done in the film. I love it. So you better love it.
On that note, members of the media, thank you so much for joining us here. On behalf of Foxstar Studios, I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you that Bang Bang, as we are definitely creating a bang at the box office, last few round of pictures with the press.